thank you so much for downloading the pregnancy workout do and don't guide. I know it's going to help you out so much and get you started with how to transition and adjust and modify your exercises and your workouts during pregnancy. So I want to thank you so much for downloading that. Just to give you a quick preview, because I know some people, you download it and you don't look at it. So I'm just gonna peruse through. This is the welcome. This is kind of general overview of do's and don'ts. First trimester do's and don'ts. Second trimester do's and don'ts. Third trimester do's and don'ts. Exercise general, breaking them down by kind of sport and activity. So I really hope that you love this and utilize this. And I want to now invite you to a free workshop that I have going right now. And this is specifically for you girls that love high intensity exercise, CrossFit, boot camps, Olympic lifting, triathlons, long distance running, anything where you are serious about your sport. So definitely check it out. You will have to register just on this page below. And I talk about the top 5 myths about workouts. And as you can see, it's, like I said before, it's great for anyone that is serious about working out. If you've heard like conflicting information, if you're getting weird stares in the gym that, oh, you should only be doing yoga, that whatever you're doing isn't safe, you're kind of not sure, well, this is also the class for you. This is also a good class for you if you find that you've got no energy, you can't keep up with your old workouts. This will get you motivated to take the next step in your fitness. So we're going to learn about common pregnancy myths. We are going to get to facts, science and facts about what you can and can't do in pregnancy workouts and how to apply this new knowledge. So I am so glad that you downloaded that guide, because this free workshop plus that guide, you are going to be rocking and rolling with your workouts. It'll help you to adjust your training and get going on the right path. So definitely scroll down and sign up for that class. You are going to love it. Thank you.